I think I got it. Alright, I got it back. Alright, now, here's another heat sink if you guys haven't seen it. Alright, and now this one is really dusty. I don't know why. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. Yes, this cord's normally tricky because I had to go online to look how to take that off, so yeah. Now, to take off this, to mod your fan, just simply take this off. Now, to mod your X-Ball, mine can't be that much modded, but I'm going to put blue LEDs in it. I'm just trying to take this off here. Trying to be as gentle as I can possibly be. Ow. Broken amp. No, I'm just kidding. Now that should run a complete ton better. Why that's being a complete piece of crap. And it's also good to get all this dust off the heat sink because it does get really dirty. So don't mind me, I'm trying to take off this fan part if I can.